Hey friends, welcome to Sew Aldo. For today's episode, I am going to show you how to shorten the sleeves on a trench coat or just a regular basic coat. So if you want to see how, keep on watching. As you can see, I need to shorten the sleeves like tremendously because I just have short arms. So I'm going to do that, and I already marked the measurements. So you basically just want to measure your desired length, and then you will add seam allowances to that. If your sleeves has tabs on the side, you will have to unpick it. You will have to reattach it later on. But this coat that I'm working on doesn't have any tabs on the side, so that makes it a lot easier for me. So I added 2 inches seam allowances just because I want to have it extra just in case I messed up. So you can do that too if you wish. And then I trim off the excess fabric, including the lining. So the lining was still a little long, so I just kind of pull it out and then I trim off about 2 inches more, and I left 1 inch allowance. There is another way to do this, but I haven't figured that out, so I am doing my shortcut method. So basically, I'm going to fold in the fabric. At first, I am going to base stitch it just to make sure that it's going to sit nicely and it's going to be the right length. And here I'm just making sure that the lining is not super tight, or else it's gonna get wrinkly and it's gonna bunch up. So I just want to make sure that it's flat. Next, I tried it on and make sure that everything is looking good. Once I am satisfied and the sleeve is not wrinkly and not bunching up, I'm going to just finish the hemline. So I'm just grabbing the slightest amount of the shell fabric just so the seam is not, or the thread is not going to show on the front, so it's going to be seamless. And this sewing alteration is so easy even if you don't have a sewing machine. Now I will remove the base stitch that I did earlier. So my advice to you if you are going to attempt this is do one sleeve at a time so you can use the other sleeve as your reference. Then I'm just going to give it a good press so it's nice and crisp, and this is what it should look like. So I hope you like this tutorial and I hope this is helpful to you. I will see you in my next video. Bye!